Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, reminding you to like this video if you like this video, leave me a comment if you got something to say, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Now let's go. Hey, it's Alex, and in this video I'm going to talk about the best way to start a business online, or another way to say that would be, what is the best way to make money online? And this is a question that a lot of people are asking these days. And there's a lot of misinformation out there, and there's a lot of people pulling you in a lot of different directions. And if you've got something that you're passionate about, that you believe in, and that you know you can make money doing, then I think you should do that. But if you're not sure, if you're just kind of looking for something that will work and you want to go with a proven method, then I'm going to kind of break down what I think the best way to make money online is. Especially for a beginner. Like I said in the title here, it's the best way to start a business online. So this is when you're just getting started, you don't have a lot of skills related to making money online, and you need kind of the easiest possible route. And none of these are actually going to be easy. They all require hard work, but some of them are more accessible than others. So let's get into it. So there's basically, the way I look at it, I mean, you could go into more than this, but the way I look at it, there's basically three ways that you can make money online or start a business online. The first thing you can do is sell products. This is basically e-commerce. You know, you can sell products in funnels, you can sell products on an e-commerce store, but either way, it involves, you can be a drop shipper, you can make them yourself, but either way, it involves selling something online and then sending someone a physical product. And also within this category, I would put, certain software as a service products, like WordPress plugins, for example, and WordPress themes. Those are products, even though there's nothing physical. They have higher profit margins, but we're going to get into that a little bit later. So anyways, that's number one. Number two is selling services. This is actually what I started with. I started off with no experience in business or marketing, and I decided to start a marketing business. And it was really, really challenging, especially for the first 6 to 8 months. I didn't really make much money trying to do that. But this is what a lot of people try to do, right? They think, I'm interested in this, or I'm passionate about this, or people have told me that I might be good at this, so I'm going to do that online, and they try to get into it and compete with people who've been doing it for years and years and years and have all this skill set and experience, and it's just really difficult. So that's number two. And number three is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is selling other people's products and services and getting a commission. So you may guess already, but this is kind of the most accessible or easiest route. And so like I was saying earlier, when I started my online business, I started off selling services, and I barely made any money for the first 6 to 8 months. And then I finally got my first high paying client, and I started making some money. But after I started making some money, I started looking for ways that I could make some more on the side, and I started doing some affiliate marketing. And within a couple of months of trying affiliate marketing, I made my first $500 commission through a product that I was selling as an affiliate. And it's a lot more accessible to more people. I'm not saying that you can't start with these two. Obviously, I did, and it worked out for me. And lots of people start with one of these two things, and they do extremely well. But, all things being equal, and assuming that you're not going to get very lucky or be an extreme outlier, this is going to be kind of the easiest option. And I'll explain why. So selling services and selling products online requires multiple skill sets or capital and leadership. So basically, you have to be able to do a bunch of things like set up a website and manage social media and manage customer expectations and returns and issues that come up. And there's a lot that goes into it. I didn't even mention close to everything there. And it's very, very challenging if you're trying to do it all on your own, especially if you're a beginner. And it's also going to be expensive if you don't want to do it all on your own. And even if you do try and do everything by yourself, it's still going to require some investment. There's going to be, unless you're drop shipping products, then there's going to be investment to get products to sell. If you're selling services, you're most likely going to need some tools or some training. And so it adds up even if you try and do it in a minimalist kind of way. Whereas with affiliate marketing, you really only need one skill to get started. You can start off just doing Facebook marketing, or just doing search engine marketing, or just doing search engine optimization, or just doing video marketing on YouTube. You can just start with one thing and kind of learn to make that work for you, and get started pretty quickly that way. And it requires little to no investment. So like, just from that list that I said, if you start with organic Facebook marketing, or if you start with video marketing on YouTube, it requires absolutely no investment other than like you might need to buy a microphone or a webcam so that you can record videos. But you can actually do that with your phone, and basically everyone has a phone. So that's just extremely accessible. And because there's so many different affiliate products and services that you can offer people, there's a lot of different ways that you can get those offers out there. And you don't need to worry about what happens after the product is sold. You don't need to do, customer management. You don't need to process returns. You don't need to do any of that. You just need to send someone through your link to the product who's, pre-sold on it, ready to make the buy, and then you just collect your commission, and then you go back and you rinse and repeat, and you keep getting better at the one thing that you're doing, and then you can expand to having 2 skills and 3 skills, and you can start learning all the things that you'll eventually need to do these things if that's where you want to go. But even if you want to eventually sell services or sell products, it makes a lot of sense to start with affiliate marketing because of what I was just talking about. So once you get kind of to the next stage, you'll realize that with both of these, but especially with selling products and selling services, most niches and verticals are ultra competitive. It's very, very difficult because, like I was saying earlier, there's just tons of people doing it in most cases who have a lot of experience, and profit margins are almost always lower because in most cases you're going to need either to invest in products, which is going to reduce your overall profit, or you might need some equipment or some tools if you're providing services, and that's going to reduce your profit. Whereas with the affiliate marketing, it is also competitive. Affiliate marketing is very competitive, and I'm not saying it's easy, but it has much more flexibility, because if you're selling products and services and the products and services that you're trying to sell aren't working for you, then you have to go and find new products or develop new skills to be able to sell new services. And that's going to take time and investment, and it's going to be difficult. Whereas with affiliate marketing, if the products and services that you're affiliate selling aren't working for you, you can just start promoting a different offer. You can just buy something else, try it out. If it's good, you can start promoting it, and you can start, raking in commissions that way. So that's another reason that it makes a lot of sense to start over here. And so basically what I'm getting at is that if you're starting off with something like e-commerce, or starting a marketing business like I did, or anything on this side, it's difficult money, and it's not going to be that much money right away unless you get lucky, or unless you're an extreme outlier who is like highly skilled or intelligent or something like that. And on the other side, I'm not going to say it's easy, but it's more accessible money, and there's more of it to be made kind of in more different ways. there's tons of stuff that you can promote as affiliates. It's everything that people love to buy, because those are the products and services that are proven, that are, working over time, that are being sold enough that those companies actually have successful affiliate programs. So anyways, that is the best way to start a business online based on my personal experience. Again, I started off selling services, and I took a while to make that work for me. And then I kind of meandered over here, and now I'm doing a little bit of both of these. And eventually I would like to do all three, but I'm kind of focusing most of my energy over here on affiliate marketing now, and also on some client work selling services. But I'm doing that with a pre-existing skill set that I had, because I was a freelance writer for a long time before I started this. And that's mostly what I do, is I do SEO and I do writing for clients. But I do a lot of affiliate marketing as well, and I'm working on creating products to sell, because I would like to do all three. But just based on my experience and what a lot of other people have said, what a lot of really experienced online business people have told me, it just appears that starting with affiliate marketing really does give you easier access to the tools and the products and services that you need in order to actually make money and create a successful business. And, it's not detrimental, as long as you do it right, to your long-term business. In fact, you can really build up your personal brand as you're getting started with affiliate marketing. And I see a lot of people doing that and having a lot of success with it. So if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing, I will put a link to an article on my blog on affiliate marketing strategies. You can use that to check out the article, and there's a bunch of different training programs that you can check out from there. All right. Anyways, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite way to make money online is, and I will catch you in the next video.